Deep in the wild, a machine is lost. Swallowed by the unforgiving jungle. To reclaim it seems an impossible task. But for her, it's just the beginning. What you will see is true mastery work. First, she must assess the damage. Searching for the heart of the problem. Realizing she cannot conquer it alone. A call for help is her only option. Soon, reinforcements arrive to aid her. Together, they prepare for the extraction. With combined strength, they pull it free. Slowly, the machine is rescued from the brush. They guide it back toward open ground. The first part of the mission is complete. A long journey back to civilization begins. Towing the broken tractor over rough terrain. The rescue was a success. But the real work is about to start. A friendship forged in a difficult task. The two tractors make their way home. Navigating the winding dirt roads. She secures the tow line for the final leg. The peaceful landscape hides the hard work. They pass through a quiet rural village. Back at the homestead, her focus shifts. It's time to restore what was broken. She meticulously washes away the mud and grime. Revealing the true state of the machine. Even the engine gets a thorough cleaning. Years of dirt and neglect are washed away. Her careful work continues. Positioning the tractor for the next phase. Every detail receives her full attention. Now, the mechanical repairs begin. She clears away the final debris. And dives deep into the engine's core. This is where her true talent shines. With the precision of a surgeon, she moves on to the wheel assembly. A complex engine is stripped to its bones. The layers of time and wear are peeled back. Now she can begin the real work. Every part is carefully removed and organized for the rebuild. She inspects each tiny component. Searching for flaws and weaknesses. Her knowledge of mechanics is profound. She methodically rebuilds the machine. Bringing order back to the chaos. The intricate fuel lines are reconnected. A puzzle of metal and wire. Each connection is made with care. The engine slowly comes back to life. A testament to her patience and skill. The complex machine is reborn. One final check of her work. Every piece is perfectly in place. The engine is whole once more. With her masterpiece complete, she is satisfied. The rebuilt tractor is ready for a new life. Her focus is sharp and unwavering. She has an intuitive feel for the machine. Each action is precise and confident. She diagnoses the problem with a glance. The cooling system has failed. With the repairs done, it's time to test. Complex wiring is her final hurdle. After her work, a new challenge appears. She drives her tractor on a new mission. A mission to help a neighbor in need. An older woman's motorcycle has broken down. The bike is old and has seen better days. Together, they work to bring it back to life. Sharing knowledge and skill. It takes both of them to move the bike. Their teamwork is a powerful thing. Positioning it for the final repair. The older woman takes the lead. And soon, the bike is running again. But her own projects are never finished. An old, rusted relic catches her eye. This bicycle is a skeleton of its former self. For her, it's a new canvas. She begins the process of transformation. Stripping it down to every last bolt. Her focus is absolute. Using specialized tools for a delicate task. The bike is completely deconstructed. She is a master of mechanical puzzles. The bare frame is all that remains. Each part is carefully cleaned by hand. She inspects and measures every piece. The reassembly process begins. Her hands move with practiced ease. The old bike slowly takes a new form. A final check of her restoration. She tests her handiwork. A forgotten machine, reborn and beautiful. Now for her most ambitious project. This e-bike is a complex challenge. Its electrical system requires a gentle touch. She begins to remove the rusted parts, working on the handlebars and front basket. Her concentration is absolute. She adjusts the handlebars perfectly. Now for the intricate electric motor hub. She carefully disassembles the wiring. Revealing the delicate coils within. The bike is now completely in pieces. She contemplates the monumental task ahead. The reassembly begins with the wheel. Next, she rebuilds the bike's frame. Piece by piece, it comes together. Her work is patient and methodical. The frame is slowly restored. She works with determined focus. The final pieces are put in place. Every part is washed and prepared. Before the final assembly can begin. This isn't just a repair. It's a complete resurrection. She strips the machine down to nothing. Washing away decades of rust and dirt. The bike's plastic shell is reborn. She cleans every single component, including the Yamaha branded engine block. She inspects her clean canvas and begins a stunning transformation. She chooses a vibrant pink paint. Even the front basket gets a new life. The old, rusted frame disappears. Each coat is applied with care, turning junk into a work of art. The pink transformation is almost complete. She wipes away any excess paint, washing the evidence of her hard work away. With the painting done, a friend helps, moving it to the workshop for assembly. The stage is set for the final act. Her workshop is a field of pink parts. She begins the final assembly. Rebuilding the Yamaha electric motor. Her focus is intense. Every small piece is reinstalled. The finished wheel looks brand new. Attaching it to the painted frame. The rear wheel and motor are secured. A perfect fusion of mechanics and art. The front wheel is next, followed by the front assembly. The bike's front fork is put into place. Then the pedal assembly is installed. The final frame parts are attached, and the Yamaha battery pack is seated. Her creation is almost complete. She steps back to admire her work. A masterpiece of color and engineering. She cleans her workspace with pride. The finished product is simply stunning. After all the hard work, her beautiful creation is ready to ride. She cleans up her tools and smiles, enjoying a quiet ride in the countryside. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel Yunal for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.